this is not a bad view to wake up to. Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video from the beautiful island of Koh Mak in Thailand. Yesterday we left Koh Chang. I have a video from yesterday, I can link it right up here. And we arrived in Koh Mak and we have just been here at our resort because it's just so beautiful and it is, yeah, it's just amazing. And we had some work to do yesterday, but today we rented a scooter and we're gonna jump on that scooter and go and explore the island. Koh Mak is actually kind of like a tiny island. You can't like walk around because that would take way too long. But I think we can like explore the whole island in one day, pretty much. But we're here for 2 more days, so we may not see everything. This place is just so beautiful and I can't wait to see the rest of the island. See, this is our little bungalow. And our scooter for the day. We've been here for like less than a day and I already have like a shell collection going on here. Yeah, I always do this. Trying to find a place to get some breakfast, but it's a bit hard here in Koh Mak because everything is so expensive because it's such a small island. But we've just seen a place that says like start from 60 baht, so we're gonna check it out now. We are like the southwest side of the island right now, which is where most of the restaurants and resorts are. So I think our chances, if we can't find it here, we can't find it anywhere. That's like pretty much the gist. So this is Koh Mak and our resort is up here. So we drove down here, over here, and now we're somewhere here. This is like around this place. But the drive from here to here took us like maybe like 10 minutes.
And apparently that's far.
Yeah.
10 minutes from the bike.
Yeah, the lady at this restaurant was like, oh, 10 minutes, green view, that's far away. Well, I guess it's on the other side of the island. Mathias looks really weird, but there's a reason apparently. Tells me, oh, so that's why Mathias sits like this. We've been looking at the map trying to figure out where we can go, and I think we're gonna go down to this beach. It's like the main beach on the island. We got our food. This is rice topped with red curry and vegetables. You know it's spicy when your face starts like sweating. We've been traveling in Southeast Asia for 15 months now and I have to give up. I can't eat this, and this is only like the 2nd time in 15 months that I have to give up, but it is so spicy. My nose is actually running. We just walked for a couple of minutes from the restaurant and we found this beach, which is the largest beach on the island. And there's also a pier here. We didn't arrive here yesterday, we arrived somewhere else, like on the northern side-ish on the island. This looks really nice and the water is very clear. This beach is so nice and there are almost no people. Where did Mathias go? Oh, there he is. And there's Mathias with all our stuff. Mathias is trying to show me an Instagram picture he wants me to take. Well, not of him, of me. It's very elegant, honey.
Thank you.
Do you want the islands in the background?
What do you think?
I think, yeah, otherwise it's extremely boring. What did you find?
Some
but it's all
What is
weird.
for you?
Thanks.
Welcome. Hey,
How do you do this?
just your bone.
Wrecking ball style? Ah, this is better. I think we found our spot. We just spent an hour or so in the water, which has been really nice, and now we're gonna eat some cookies here before we explore some more of the island. This is like the most touristy place. Ah!
Oh no!
Everything is under control.
Yeah, it seems that way.
I guess this is mine. This place is not a bad place for a cookie break. Okay, we are on our way to a beach called Limestone. I'm probably butchering that name because the map says this beautiful undeveloped beach is a must-see. One tiny shop, great views, lots of sand, paradise, and it's very close to our resort. It's up here in like the northern corner. So yeah, that's what we're doing now, to Limestone Beach. If we can get the scooter started. I'm having Koh Chang flashbacks and I don't like it. Now it works. But why?
Well, it's something with the scooter. It's
Okay.
been that way.
It's just temperamental. Let's go. We've stopped the scooter because I have to show you something and I want to look at it myself. We found a pineapple field. Take a look at this. I was just saying to Mathias, wow, check out all these beautiful plants. It could be great for an Instagram photo. Then I looked at them. They're pineapple plants. Like, after coming out here, I know that pineapples don't grow on trees, but I've never actually like seen them. I've seen banana trees, coconuts, never seen the pineapples. This is so exciting. I'm way too excited. So this is a pineapple field, and I think these are papaya trees. I love this island. That one looks ripe.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It really is. Cute. It's the end of the road. Come on.
Let's go.
Putting the sunglasses on. You can kayak from this beach over to that island.
We're taking a little fancy break and enjoying the great view from the other side of the island. It's definitely not a paradise beach, but to me it's pretty awesome. It's it's more normal, you know.
It feels like Scandinavian
Yeah.
because of the trees.
It feels homey in some way, just for you.
Drink your Fanta. We just found a really nice resort, and I don't know if we're even allowed to be here. I don't think that we are, but it looks so amazing. There's an outdoor jacuzzi or bathtub or something, and the ocean is right over there. I want to live here.
Me too.
But to be fair, the beach at our place is better.
Yeah, we got the better end.
Most of the bungalows are actually empty. Maybe they're really expensive. And there's an amazing pool here as well. Well, maybe next time. It's called Ploop Ploop Pla. Maybe. We just went back to our bungalow to change, and now we are going to catch the sunset and maybe work a little bit at a place called Banana Sunset, which is on the other side of the island. So we're going there now, and we're bringing our computers because it says they have Wi-Fi, and I could really use some Wi-Fi. Are we ready?
You're ready. Come on.
I actually really like this scooter. It's kind of bling, like old school. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. And in that case, I'll see you in my next video. Hi. Bye. No, bye.